Three light switches are in front of you. Only one of them turns on the light downstairs. From here, you can't see the light. Your task is to find the switch which operates the light. You can go check there only once. How will you figure this out? You can flip any switch you want. Just wait here for 5 minutes. Now flip this switch off and flip a new one on. Now go check the light. If it's off and hot, it's the first switch. If it's on, it is the second switch. If it's off and cold, it is the one you never flipped.